Hello, friends. Welcome back to Wisdom Wings IAS. This is Subhash Mishra, and today I am starting with a very brand new series that is related to legal acumen series, and it is very helpful now in the changing patterns of UPSC prelims examination, or even it was already very relevant related to UPSC GS paper 2, that is general studies paper 2, that is related to polity, Indian polity, where you have to write about the fundamental rights and related cases also. And sometimes we don't have that kind of value addition as we should be writing, right? So we write generic answers and our marks are very, very less. And not only this, if you are preparing for any kind of DU, Delhi University LLB examination, entrance examination, LLM examination, or any kind of law or bar or bench, any kind of examination which is related to legal acumen, then please do see this, and you will be obviously raising your bar high and your marks will be going up. Okay, so let's start with the cases. Case laws, rights. So these are related to fundamental rights where the Supreme Court of India has decided about something, that these rights are very intact with the fundamental rights. Okay, and I will be only showing you those things which you can quote. So you please do remember the right and the case law, and case law should not be remembered fully. Even if you remember the case name, which is related to particular the person name, you can have a very good quotation in your GS answers of mains, and you can actually crack any kind of question which is coming related to case law in the objective sections. Okay, so let's start with the right to go abroad. So everybody has a right to go abroad, and it was decided by Supreme Court of India, Apex Court, Honorable Court of India in 1967. That is related to Satwant Singh Sahni case. Satwant Singh Sahni case is related to right to go abroad, and you can have this full name of case law: Satwant Singh Sahni versus D. Rama Ratnam, APO, New Delhi. Okay, so Satwant Singh Sahni, right to go abroad, 1967 case. Then second case is related to right to privacy judgment of Govind versus State of Madhya Pradesh. You should only remember Govind, right to privacy, and this is related to 1975 case. But the recent case related to right to privacy, the last one, as you can see on the screen, is Justice K.S. Puttaswamy retired versus Union of India case, and it is also known as Puttaswamy judgment. Okay, so Puttaswamy judgment came in 2018. It was like 2017 case, particularly citation, but decided by Supreme Court on 26th September 2018. Please do remember 26th September 2018, 2018. Right to privacy judgment, Justice K.S. Puttaswamy, that is Puttaswamy judgment, and Govind judgment. Okay, then the third one is related to right against solitary confinement. You cannot have any kind of who is in jail, any prisoner, they should not be put under the solitary confinement, and that is related to Sunil Batra versus Delhi administration. Sunil Batra case is related to right against solitary confinement. Please do remember that. Okay, the next, and this right against solitary confinement was decided in 1978, right? Then you have right against bar fetters. You cannot have bar fetters, and it was decided in Charles Sovraj case versus Superintendent Central Jail. So right against bar fetters, Charles Sovraj case, right against bar fetters. Okay, and this case was decided in again 1978. Right to legal aid, everybody has, or particularly the weaker sections of the society has right to legal aid, and it was also mandated under NASA and SALSA, and several bodies are there mandated by Supreme Court of India. Right to legal aid, M.H. Hoscott versus State of Maharashtra. So M.H. Hoscott case, please do remember right to legal aid. Okay, and this case was decided in again 1978. So all the three cases, right against solitary confinement, Sunil Batra; right against bar fetter, Charles Sovraj; right to legal aid, M.H. Hoscott, is 1978 case. Okay, then you have right to speedy trial. Everybody must have right to speedy trial. That was decided in Hussain Ara Khatun. This is very important, and according to me, this is a very, very important case which is being cited one and again, like several times. 1978 case, again right to legal aid. After that, right to speedy trial. I'm literally sorry. Right to speedy trial is in 1980. Okay, 1980 case. So this Hussain Ara Khatun versus Home Secretary State of Bihar, right to speedy trial. So this is related to 1980 case of Hussain Ara Khatun, right to speedy trial. Right against handcuffing. This is related to Prem Shankar Shukla versus Delhi administration. So right against handcuffing was also decided in 1980. So you can have right to speedy trial Hussain Ara Khatun and right against handcuffing Prem Shankar Shukla. Both cases were decided in 1980. You should quote both the cases related to right to speedy trial Hussain Ara Khatun and right against handcuffing, that is Prem Shankar Shukla. Then you have right against delayed execution, right against delayed execution. So TV Vatishwaram versus State of Tamil Nadu. So this was related to TV Vatishwaram case, right against delayed execution, and it was decided in 1983, right? Right against custodial violence, right against custodial violence. Nobody can have police violence or some kind of custodial violence when they are in the custody of police or any kind of judicial custody. So right against custodial violence was decided in Sheila versus State of Maharashtra. Sheila Barse case. Please do remember Sheila versus Barse case was decided in 1983. 1983, right against custodial violence. Then you have right against public hanging. Attorney General of India versus Lakshma Devi case. Attorney General of India versus Lakshma Devi case. Please do remember Lakshma Devi case. Then also you will be doing right against public hanging. So this case was related to 1989 case. Okay, right to doctor's assistance. Everybody has the right to doctor's assistance. That was decided in Parmanand Katara versus Union of India case, and it was decided in 1989. Okay, so both the cases, right against public hanging, Lakshma Devi case, and right to doctor's assistance, Parmanand Katara case, both was decided in 1989. And last but not the least, right to shelter. Everybody has the right to shelter. That was decided in Shantistar Builders. Shantistar Builders versus NK Totame. Okay, right to shelter. Shantistar Builders versus NK Totame. So let's do it again within 1 minute. Right, let's revise this. Right to go abroad. Satwan Singh Saini case. Right to privacy. Govinda case. Right against solitary confinement, Sunil Batra case. Right against bar fitter Charles Sovraj case. Right to legal aid, that is related to MH Hoscott case. Right to speedy trial Hussainara Khatun case. Right against handcuffing Prem Shankar Shukla case. Right against delayed execution TV Vatiswaram case. Right against custodial violence Sheila Barse case. Right against public hanging Lakshma Devi case. Right to doctor's assistance Parmanand Katara case. Right to shelter Santistar Builders case. Then right to privacy Justice case Puttaswamy case. If you will ask me what are the landmark cases, you can remember this case. Right to privacy Govinda case, and at the same time right to privacy Puttaswamy case. Then you have right to legal aid, that is MH Hoscott case. Then Hussainara Khatun right to speedy trial case. And then you have Sheila Barse case, right against custodial violence. So that's it. And I will be also going into the case law details very soon. And please do favor me and share this. If you have any friend who is finding difficult on any case law related things and any quotations and all those things, please do remember. And please do share, like, comment, subscribe, and do recommend me anything you want to get covered. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a very good day. Happy Dashara. Signing off, Subhash Mishra, Wisdom Wings IAS. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.